Today we're going to take a look at the Yakima Ladder Roller. Now this is going to be a handy accessory to have on the back of either your roof rack or ladder rack system to help you load any heavy items, things like a kayak or maybe some lumber, a longer ladder. And basically this just kind of drops below that back bar and lets you roll that item up. Makes it a little easier, especially if you're loading something up onto your roof or that ladder rack by yourself. So you don't have to have that extra set of hands to help you get that thing loaded up. It's going to come with everything you see here. We'll have our roller itself, the two brackets. These are going to mount onto the ends of our roller. And then there'll be a little cotter pin that we'll put in place to keep that stable. We'll have two cotter pins. And then the hardware for attaching it to our bar is going to be this bolt with that Loctite already on there, a nice thick washer. And then you'll have two plates. One will be for the HD bars. That'll be this thicker plate. It's designed to work with those thicker T-slots to take up the gap there. If you're using this on one of the other Yakima bars like the Jetstream flush bar and the rail bar, then you'll use this thinner square nut. That allows you to slide the bracket in to the T-slot and get it tightened down. It does come with the Allen wrench. To get that tightened down, you'll need to tighten it to about 4 Newton meters. So pretty tight, about hand tight. You don't want to crank it down and crush anything. Just make sure that it's snug and it doesn't move around on your bar. This does have a weight capacity of 75 pounds, so that should be enough for most lumber and other applications that you'd be putting up on top of those bars. The roller itself is 24 inches long, so it should give you plenty of width there. And I like the design that it does drop down below the bar. So it's not going to obstruct anything sitting on top of the bar there. It's just going to help to roller those things on and just make life a little bit easier. Pretty easy installation, as I said. Includes all the hardware and everything that we need to get it installed. Everything's made of a durable steel construction with a powder coat, so it's not going to have any rust or corrosion. The roller itself is made of a sort of plastic material, so it's not going to scratch or scuff up any of your items, especially a hull on your boat if you're putting a kayak or a canoe up there. This does come with a limited lifetime warranty from Yakima. And again, as far as our dimensions, overall this is going to be 25 3/4 inches long. The roller itself is going to be a little bit shorter. It's going to be 24 inches long. Then this is going to be about 2 inches wide in diameter. And our bracket overall will be 4 3/4 inches long. And that's going to do it for our quick look at the ladder roller from Yakima.